All right, let's get started. Hi, I'm Bill, and if this is the first time dropping into my channel, welcome. Today is Saturday, the 4th of November, 2023. Out here in my backyard, I'm heading down to Nightfall 2023. That'll be held in Borrego Springs, November 9th through the 12th of 2023. I leave on Thursday, and I've made a lot of changes to my equipment. If you've seen my earlier videos, you now know that I have the PrimaLuce Lab Eagle 5S, and I've moved what was on my EdgeHD 8, which was my B-Link U59 mini computer, and my Pegasus Astro Pocket Power Box Advance over to my Red Cat 51. So I just thought it would be prudent to check and make sure everything is functioning. In particular, that I have all the necessary cables and that there are no surprises, like I learned that I needed to put my extension counterweight bar on so I could move the counterweights further down to get my EdgeHD 8 in balance as it is now configured at 26.4 pounds. So these are good things for me to figure out here while I'm in my backyard and not waste the time when I get down to Borrego Springs to try to figure that out. The other thing is I want to make sure that I have all the right drivers for the new installation of N.I.N.A and PhD2 and those type of things, EQ mod, etc. So it's just a good opportunity, do a dress rehearsal, check everything out. But the thing that I wanted to bring to your attention is that I just purchased the PrimaLuce Lab Giotto. It's a smart, they call it a smart flat field generator. So basically it's an LED panel. Again, in the theme of worst case scenario, if I ever had to put my EdgeHD 8 in a remote observatory, I would have to have it properly configured for complete automatic or programmatic management. And so the Giotto, being a flat LED flat panel display, has the ability, there's some mounting holes here, to work with another PrimaLuce Lab device called the Alto. And effectively what the Alto will enable, it's a mechanical device with an arm that'll swing. And so you can attach this LED panel to that arm, and then you can control the movement of the panel up and out of the way. I've seen some where it's down below and it opens this way. So my old light panel that I put together for relatively no more than $80 works fine, but I thought I would take this opportunity to take another step towards complete remote management, and so that's why I bought this panel. It was $465. Some people would say a little pricey. I think that the calibration frames are very important, and to be able to collect those calibration frames in an efficient manner, I think there's some value in that. And I'd love it that at the end of the night of imaging, N.I.N.A also then manages this device here. I have the Alto at some point, and it can all be done at the end of the night while I'm still sleeping. So that's kind of the thought there. So let me put this back on here. Okay, so that's basically what I wanted to share with you. You'll see some videos, I think, in the future of me actually using this with N.I.N.A. I went into N.I.N.A just a few moments ago. It doesn't see it yet, so I imagine I have to check to make sure I have the right driver for this, the right ASCOM driver. So there's a lot yet that I have to do as far as preparation to make sure that everything is going to operate in an optimal manner when I get down to Borrego Springs, given all the changes that I've made, moving away from the ASI Air Plus to having everything managed by N.I.N.A going forward. All right. Oh, one more thing that I'm also working on is the Eagle 5S creates its own Wi-Fi network and broadcasts that network, which is how I can attach to it to manage it. But I can also attach a second network to it, and that's why I'm using this little device down here that you may or may not see, but it's the N.I.N.A Burl. It's a Wi-Fi router. Okay. Actually, the Burl is here, so we're okay. That way, if I needed to bring Wi-Fi connectivity, not Wi-Fi connectivity, if the Eagle 5S had to have internet connectivity, I would be able to do that through the Burl router. So that's the other thing that I'm working on here. All right, if you like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up. As always, like, share, and subscribe. I hope you have some favorable weather wherever you may be in the world. Other than that, see you next time.